we have our 360-degree view. Our fire is starting to go out. I've been burning for 3 days and I'm getting low on wood. So I'm going to take you around. Nice wood handles. That's your air wash draft control. Nice porcelain finish. Nice detailing on the stove. We do have our automatic draft control located right there. This does have the heat shield for the flue pipe installed. That's optional to reduce your clearances on the stove. This is the solid steel cooktop that does have the removable lids for wok style cooking. Although let's state that there's a baffle system above the top of the firebox there. Nice large baking oven. This is the Heco 520.